Hi, welcome to lesson 79. We're talking about symmetry, and this is our practice. We're going to draw, you're going to copy these into your book and then draw each line of symmetry. And I have my trusty little line drawer right now, and we're going to take it away from there. Here we go. This is our first shape, and I can see that this is symmetrical going down this way. And so that's our line of symmetry. We could mess around with this. If I went like here, that's not going to happen. If I went right here, or you know what, I could try here. But if we were to look at that, you can see that that is not, if we fold it, it's not going to be exactly the same. And so we're going to make a little note. There is, I'm going to write this here. There is no line of symmetry on this shape. Back to our drawing. Here we go. Our triangle. Now this, let's start here. We could go, this is an equilateral triangle it looks looking like. So I could put a line of symmetry right here and cut it in half. I could do a line of symmetry right here, and it could be cut in half perfectly. I could draw a line of symmetry right here, and it could be cut in half. Now let's look at our W. We cannot cut, the line of division is not this way. We cannot go diagonal, but I do see that we could take it and slice it. I'm going to move that line a little over. We can slice it right down the middle. Our X looks like it could potentially have two lines. We can take, this is, cut it there, and the division line right here. So we have two. I'm trying to think. I'm looking at my notes. Yeah. And let's see, our Z, we could try doing this, but if it folds, it's not going to be symmetrical. So I'm looking and I'm saying to myself, there are no lines of symmetry right here. Now, which figures A through F do not have rotational symmetry, meaning that if you rotated it, it would be the same shape? And I'm looking right now. A, if we were to rotate that, it would not be the same. We know that B obviously does not have rotational symmetry because it's not. C, if we rotated it, it would be symmetrical. D, if we rotated it, no. So I'm thinking X, if we rotated it, it would be symmetrical. So I'm thinking for the symmetrical, the shapes that are symmetrical, it's going to be A and D. And then which of these figures A through F have reflective symmetry, meaning that if you were to, that they are mirror images of one another. I'm looking, A comes to mind, it is mirroring it. C, got to think about that. C does. D is reflection, and E. So A, C, D, and E. Which of these polygons have reflective symmetry, meaning that they are mirroring one another? D, we know is not. We know that is not. B, C, we know does not, because we can't fold that in half. But A, we could. And I think B, we could. So there you have it. This is the practice set. good luck on the homework. We will be working more with symmetry over time. And I hope you have an awesome, awesome day. Take care.